The world is desperate for a vaccine against COVID-19, and the race is on to find one.
They're being developed in many countries. I think the largest number in the USA, followed by China.
Mark Jitt is a professor of vaccine epidemiology at the London School of Hygiene and Tropical Medicine. They are keeping an up-to-date database of all the vaccines being worked on. There are over 100.
The bad news is that the usual time frame to develop a vaccine is from the time of initial discovery to actually having a vaccine to be given on a population level is usually about 10 to 20 years.
But the urgency now means teams all over the world are trying to speed up the process.
We work day and night, and for the COVID-19 development process, we have a three-shelf working group, and for 24 hours.
Several are at the stage of human testing, including this trial at Oxford University. We're told there has never been a vaccine against a coronavirus brought for approval, and that the success rate of vaccine trials are between 5 to 10%. Even once there is a vaccine, it'll take quite some time before there is enough to vaccinate entire populations. And while we wait, there are questions about natural immunity. It is still not clear whether we can develop long-lasting immunity to the virus. We have never been here before.
This is a virus that's emerged and has changed everyone's life. It's, bringing so many people to be sick, to be in hospital, dying. It's wrecked entire economies. This is a vaccine that the world is desperate to have.
For once, the world is largely united in the desire to be able to visit and hug our families, to walk the streets, to fill the restaurants, to travel, and for so many to be able to work again, to return to a life most of us took for granted. Our once buzzing newsroom here in Doha has nearly fallen silent, with most people working from home, and it's a similar picture in many places across the world. Now, despite so many vaccines being in the works, it's going to take quite some time before one is available to all of us, and that means that partial lockdowns and social distancing could remain part of our lives for a very long time. Stephanie Decker at Al Jazeera headquarters in Doha.